Yeah man, yeah. Good afternoon everybody. This is your boy Raheim MooYoung again. Yeah, just stay here in my community with my brother in Burby.
Yeah.
And the boss that's so. Yeah man, we just stay and get some food. Yeah. For eating of the day. Yeah man, I just on the street today. So it's set in Jamaica, you know? Yeah guys, so we're just here chilling, just get some food, just there going eating on my bridging. Yeah man, it's just another day in Jamaica, beautiful, the weather is nice, not too hot. We just get some fried chicken, you see that? Yeah, this is some really good fried chicken right here.
So you get this food right at Trish Bar, isn't it? So right now we're there out on the front, just to go and have some lunch and thing. Enjoy the moment and thing, you know what I mean? So yeah man, right at the spot, Trish Bar. We show them come support it right in front, right side of the college, and it located right side of the police station, see me, isn't it? So yeah man, push out and support, isn't it?
Yeah man guys, so we just get some box food and I'm bridging them. Just a walk go back around from the ends, the whole of vibes. Yeah man, yeah. Just there going easy. Burby, AK, General. Yeah man, just a go around from the ends, the whole of vibes. We get some box food and thing. Yeah man, that's how we do it in Jamaica man. Yeah man, so stay tuned. Yeah, look on the yeah man, so I'm just there in the hometown. Man, my bridge, you know, just a walk and all the vibes. And
the vibes.
Yeah, just a walk around the lane. Just see what going, you know. That's how it is in Jamaica, you know, the sun kinda hot. Yeah, but the breeze a blow cold, so the weather just nice, just fine. I'll go over my house, man, my bridge. Janelle! Janelle! Chantel?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll just pass through. Alright. Joe Mindian. Pele. Yeah man, so they up on the ends, I'm a general, them have all the vibes, you know? Burby.
You know.
Yeah man, so do it in Jamaica, you know?
Right now there I build up a big gun justice, you know what I mean? They free. Stay there. Vibes.
Yeah man, general, them are going to the vibes, you know. Build up a gun just to one thing, isn't it? Yeah man.
I'm in the party, you see?
To the man of the yard, you know, the big man himself, you know. Yalla boy, you know. Best of yourself, isn't it? Yeah. The man over here said to her going easy. Look like him shy, man, drink no juice. Yeah man.
All the thing matter in the whole world. All the thing I care about.
Father and son.
Yeah man.
Yeah, man.
Love you.
Men.
Couple nights me have last night.
Yeah, go on. Fix up your bicycle, yeah, so. Love you, not you? How long do you have the bicycle, yeah?
Yesterday.
Yesterday?
Yeah.
And I love you already, eh?
I have a bicycle.
Yeah, Mr. Big Man, how go on?
Today I go easy for my JB Thursday.
Everything up?
Up like a up.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah man.
What's that Jamaica the best place?
You know say we up, you know?
Is that Jamaica the best place, eh?
No, we're better than Jamaica, man. You say yard the best place. No, we're better than yard.
No way.
Anyway, you say just money you go to make and come back a yard. That's it. Because yard the best place, you know?
Straight.
Yeah man, a beer yard, you see me?
Yeah man.
All the breadfruit and all 2 cane.
Right.
Yeah man, so there are all the vibes. the artists them ready to go. Yeah man, so take in the artists them and tell me them song. Comment below and let me know how, if them artists are good or not. Yeah man, take them in.
Dog, them pussy they can't be law. Dogs them hear them this and run them over. Dog, me nah fi talk. Westmoreland me born and grow, but Frome where the badness start. Gun pan my waist, I stud the paper like a test fi pass. Me, rub them out like bad remarks. None of them know what that look. Money make them talking heartless. Bring the rifle from the void and when me shoot me nah guess. All will have your soul, you cannot defeat the darkness. Walkless with target, shot him out, you could be next. And them rifle shot your poison, touch your skin and melt your flesh. Holy water bless, yes. Where you expect come from the wild, wild west. Run them over easily with the with money we get. See me go now you're dead.
But this artist get stage fright. Right, that's all.
I must book on Benz.
Full of chat to see artists come out live. Feeling road, some me touch road, some me touch road. Margarita at the place up in okay. Girl to me side can't show and okay. Them boy they no real barrier player hate. Me love young girl, woman where you 38. She look for me image and I said you brave. Big bumper girl, bring me to me grave. Me beat up her pussy like a Asian slave dog. Anyway, the party there, jolly there. If you can't find your girl, me gone with her. She need you, but you never did it. No one me, I love your girl and she like it.
Alright, wait smoke, born in the street, so you know we used to struggle. Touching at the road there, hustle to the muscle. Any boy this, dead pan the double, cause we roll tough and we never like trouble. Yeah, jungle we black, and when we roll through we have 3 big glass. And YE, yeah, them run the block, and dead president thugs them ever strap. Big up Bashi, we no lock no back, but when we roll through, you know we ever have a Glock. I just a freestyle moment. It's just a freestyle moment.
No wonder why me always on the run. No wonder why me always on the run. Them hear me boss it off and tell the feds me have a gun. When me hustle tell me blocking at the boiling sun. Them no like me show me bleach, them off to see me skin bone. Ducking at the mind, them bad mind hold down. Me fist stucking at the west, and want me boss at Kingston. Target by the feds again, it's not because I'm black. Informer tell the feds so we a chop up on the block. Chop. Kickbox, smoke weed, me relax, drop asleep, me revived by the weed. No my eye, then my bleed. No as long as me leave, I been needing the weed, needing the weed.
Me smoke it long and often. Me weed money stack up like me collect offering. Me pray for the weed like I'm a passing. And if me see I grade, you know me not passing. Me love the weed like a ras when non-trim. And you can't tell me say smoking is a sin. Big up the Rasta man them with them higher grading. One buff of them with your head migrating. And don't start fret when you're vibrating. Had them weed they get the higher rating. Cause when you smoke them you pre bout higher rating. You pre the past the present and if yo. And when you get to you pre your mother bakings. Weed, me smoke it long and often.
Kickbox, smoke weed, me relax, drop asleep, me revived by the weed. No my eye, then my bleed. Then as long as me leave, I'll be needing the weed, needing the weed. Kickbox, smoke weed, me relax, drop asleep. No my eye, then my bleed. No as long as me leave, I'll be needing the weed, needing the weed. Kickbox, smoke weed, me relax, drop asleep. No my eye, then my bleed. Me revived by the weed. No as long as me leave, I be needing the weed, needing the weed. Eyes them red like Miss Cliff tail light. See my eyes in the dark, you think I too great light. Now want no weed for them, me busy but me now wait night. Just as cliff me go look and I'm more me like. Eyes red burn like a blood clot, bright. Run up for that, boy, run up for that. Marijuana, marijuana, call me dada. Me a grow you from your young, you make them proud of your papa. Beautiful you are, beautiful you are, beautiful you are. Marijuana, marijuana, call me dada. Me a grow you from your young, you make them proud of your papa. Beautiful you are, beautiful you are, beautiful you are. Marijuana, marijuana. Call me
Marijuana.
dada. Me a grow you from your young, you make them proud of your papa. Beautiful you are. I'm back again, running from the cops again. It happened that my strap go drop, me couldn't stop because me jump the fence. Running from the system, victimize me with the law. I'm a menace to society, me always broke the law. As you see me, some me gone again, I'm all alone, no have no friend. This is what it come to when you're fighting for your oxygen.
Mama say, boy, listen, you have a dead your hard days, but we touching at this street, we want money, want grades. Life is a journey, it's just another phase. Days after days, kick back on the block of herbs we are blaze. Life is just a phase. We are go dead them, so we hard days.